to my channel, and this is a continuation of flower and leaves motif. On this row 3 we are going to continue to make leaves, and then we will start making the flower. To begin row 3, we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet, 2 double crochets on the next double crochet. Double crochet on the next double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet on each of the next double crochet. So we are going to make double crochet on next double crochet 3 times. So we made 1, this is the second, that's 2, and 3. Then we are going to make a flower petal by making incomplete double crochets. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to make a gap, a chain 1 gap between the leaf and the flower. So we are going to skip this first chain that we made and incomplete double crochet on the 3rd chain from hook. That's an incomplete double crochet. Then make 1 more incomplete double crochet. It makes it a total of 3 incomplete double crochet, including the chain 3. Then we start another incomplete double crochet on the first chain of the next chain 2. That's 1 incomplete, 2 incomplete, 3 incomplete double crochet. Okay, then another incomplete double crochet on the 2nd chain of the next chain 2. That's 1 incomplete double crochet, 2 incomplete double crochet, 3 incomplete double crochet. Then we are going to complete the incomplete double crochets like that. Then chain 1 and tighten. Then we'll make another, just 1 incomplete double crochet petal to make a total of 4 petals. So we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make incomplete double crochet into the very center of the flower. Like that. And complete the double crochets and one petal is made, and chain one, then double crochet on each of the next 3 double crochets. One, two, three. Then complete the leaf motif by making a chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, then chain 2 and double crochet on each of next double crochets. So I will do double crochet 3 times, so that was one, then this is the second, three, then repeat making the petals just like we did on the first petal we made. So we chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and incomplete double crochet on the third chain from hook. That's 1, 2, then you start another incomplete petal or double crochet on the first chain of the next chain 2, we will make 3 incomplete double crochets. Then you start another one, double crochet, incomplete double crochet on the second chain of the next chain 2, then complete the double crochet, chain 1, make another petal by making chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make incomplete 2 double crochets at the very center of the flower, and complete the double crochet. So the last petal on this row is made. After the petal we chain 1 and double crochet on each of the next double crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, and chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space, chain 2, and double crochet on each of the next double crochets, chain 4 to make the petals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and incomplete double crochet on the third chain from hook, then start another incomplete petal which is made up of 3 incomplete double crochets on the first chain of the next chain 2, then another incomplete on the second chain of the next chain 2, and so we complete the petals by drawing up a loop all through the loops, all through the incomplete loops. Then chain 1 and tighten the stitch. Then make the last petal by making chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and incomplete double crochet at the very center of the flower. So one petal is completed, the last one, and chain 1 and 3 double crochet all together, making double crochet on top of each of next double crochets. So that was already one. This is the second, this is the third, then chain 1 and double crochet on the next double crochet, working at the edge now, then 2 double crochet on the next double crochet, then double crochet on the second chain of the beginning chain 3, and that's the end of this row. That's how it looks. Third the work to start row 4. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next segment of this video. And I appreciate you all for subscribing to my channel, and I thank you all very much.